Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Life of a Young Nigerian Mom living with her husband and 3 beautiful princesses. But in this video, you'll be seeing 5 beautiful princesses because my neighbor's daughters will be included in today's vlog. So you all have advised me not to do all my chores in one day, and that was why I did the washing yesterday. So when we got back from church this morning from video, the first thing I had to do this morning was to soak the children's school bag and lunch boxes. Of course, school has resumed and there'll be lots of washing of school bags and lunch boxes. I had to take all the clothes I'd washed yesterday inside, and then I came back to start washing the school bags. And that's my small madam assisting, gisting with mommy. Alright, so if you're coming across my channel for the very first time, I'm a mother of 3 and lifestyle content creator. I shoot my daily vlog, my activities, and most times I post hair tutorials, and I also do some cooking vlog, although they are not professional cooking vlogs, but I just add that to my content most times. So when I was done washing all the school bags, I had to wash their school shoes, and then I had to take all the school bags to go sun dry them because there was lots of sun today. To be honest, as I'm a content creator, I faced lots of challenges, and one of those challenges is creating video, taking out time to edit them, and not getting enough engagement. I might not have anyone, not to talk of having money to do sponsored ad, but one thing I know is that God and grace is going to carry me through. So if you've watched up till this time, I want to beg you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment and share this video, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to get notified each time I post a video. Alright, so after doing all of that and then folding the clothes, although the clothes were too many, so I had to do a little magic. I had to step out to a nearby supermarket to go get shampoo and conditioner. Like I said from the beginning of this video, I'll be washing my kids' hair and that of my neighbor's children. Their mom is not around, so I thought I should include them in today's hair care routine. So taking them to the salon will cost me a lot, and I don't have so much money at the moment. The money I would have used for 2 of my children, I had to go get the shampoo and conditioner that will cover for 5 of them and will still remain. So I started by washing Captain Gia's hair, which is my 3rd daughter. I had to wash her hair thoroughly, then apply this conditioner. Combing her hair is always a struggle. She was literally fighting me. When that was done, I had to rinse the conditioner off thoroughly, and then I had to towel dry this hair. The next is Awesome. This is my 2nd daughter, Barrister Awesome. So this video is more like introducing my children to us if you're coming across my channel for the very first time. I also had to wash her hair. She has a very light hair, so it wasn't really a stress washing it. I did that thorough washing with the shampoo, and then I went in with the conditioner, which will enable me comb her hair. You know, you can only comb the kids' hair when it's soft. Even adults, you need it at this point. When I was done, I still had to towel dry her hair, and you can see that her back was all soaked, but then it's fine. The next one was Camilla's own. Camilla's hair is very thick and it always gives me headache. When we're about to wash this hair, I told her to go change this dress into something simple so the gown will not get wet. And then I started by combing her hair, applying the hair shampoo, and I'm going to give her hair a very thorough wash. Like I say, her hair is very thick. I take all my time, like my energy, to scrub her hair. At this point, my arms were aching, so I just had to relax a bit before I fire on. When I was done, I had to rinse off thoroughly, apply the conditioner, combed and rinsed off again. Now it's my neighbor's children's turn. This is Grace. She's my neighbor's daughter. I had to wash her hair as I did for my kids, and then I asked them to go get their combs and their towel because I won't be using my kids' own for them, and I will not be using their own for my kids. And this is her younger sister Itunu. They are all my friends in the compound. These kids are always around me, and I feel happy each time I get to take care of them. When I was done, I went ahead to have my bath. Thank you all for watching, and bye.